Hey guys, Tony here. Good morning. So, you guys have already probably known, CRO's running pretty well, right? It's gone from like around 25 cents since it got listed on Coinbase up to upwards of 69 cents, or a little bit over 68 cents. So, still pretty good run. Um, as of right now, I do think that it's gonna keep either from right now, it's gonna either trade sideways and then jump back up, or it's gonna run back down to possibly maybe 46.50 cents. Um, I think I'm a little bit more biased towards the upside just because right now the way that it trades when it's in a bear cycle usually, or at least weekend bear, it tends to trade a little bit sideways. So as of right now, I think that more than likely you might see it stay between, I don't know, somewhere around 47.52 and just kind of trade sideways. But the really good thing about Crow is that it has a huge upside to the trend, right? So its huge upside is right here, which is a pretty insane part. Every single jump that it's had has been pretty insane compared to the one before, right? So its peak back here on November 13th was 23%. The first difference and the second difference, right? Even though you're at a higher price range, was 26%. So 23, 26. The next one, the next jump, we can do something like a 20. I don't know, like 29%, maybe 29%. 29%. I mean, it would, if it does this in the next 3 days, you would still technically be on trend. Like on the good, like I said, the really good thing about Crow is that it's on a really high top of the bull channel right here. You have a super high chance that it drops down to like somewhere like 46 cents, and then it rallies all the way up to this top of the trend, which would be closer to maybe 70, 80 cents, closer to probably 75, 80 cents, somewhere around this range right here. Um, which I do think is that's my daughter. Which I do think is like super possible. So I am in Crow right now. I bought about 20K worth of Crow at I bought high though. I bought like at 54, 55, 56 cents, somewhere around that range. But I actually like Crow. I like the company. I think they're gonna be huge. I actually think potentially they're gonna be bigger than Binance. That's what I think personally. I'm not saying now, but in the future. Um, so I do think Crow, its cryptocurrency can be worth at least 100 billion, which is somewhere along the lines of matching the current BNB token, right? The current BNB crypto. So at least this for me would be a longer term hold. Crypto, Crow or cryptocurrency or crypto.com is more so, investing in a company as far as an actual like crypto. And I think as long as crypto.com grows, I think their cryptocurrency is going to grow. And for me, this is more of a long term hold as opposed to, hey, this is going to run up to $1 in a day. No, that's probably not going to happen. Um, so I am super bullish on Crow, but this is more of a very long term hold. This you can kind of you can put this in the same category as like a Bitcoin or Ethereum or BNB. Like I said, it's more of a very long term hold instead of constantly trading this over and over and over again. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.